Hi friends, welcome to my channel. இந்த வீடியோ நீங்கள் தமிழில் பார்க்கணுன்னா இந்த லிங்கை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Thank you so much of each and everyone. I posted the video of RE class 1 in English. Many of them gives thumbs up, which encouraging me a lot. That video is absolutely for beginners only. Some of them getting inconvenience about the clarity of the video. Surely I will upload the video in high quality and audible recording. Some of them asking queries about ReWorks. You can clarify your queries too. Some of them ask about online classes. I will announce it soon. Anyone can join this online classes and you can access anywhere. You may have many more stitches, techniques. Online classes video will be available for each and every day 24 hours. Anytime you can learn it from your home. You may have a live classes too. At the end of the class I will provide certificate that will very useful for your future. You can learn it quickly. We have another channel, Craft World, which is full of craft works, macrame art and everything. If you want to know more about craft, please subscribe and support it. If you want to get any updates from Hema Fashion, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. You can get regular updates. Thank you for subscribing. See you in next video. Bye.